Ever wondered how to bring the tiniest of fruits to life in the digital world? Today, we're going to build a Nano Banana Model, a surprisingly intricate yet rewarding 3D design project perfect for applications ranging from scientific visualization to fun digital art. Our journey begins by establishing the fundamental shape for a nano banana. We'll aim for a smooth, curved form, mimicking its organic counterpart, but with the precision only digital modeling can offer. We'll start with a basic curved cylinder, and then refine it. Think about the subtle tapering at the ends, and the gentle arc using subdivision surfaces and smoothing tools will be key to achieving that organic, yet polished, look. Next, we'll tackle its surface. Applying textures is crucial for realism. We'll unwrap the model's UVs, which essentially flattens the 3D surface into a 2D map, allowing us to paint or apply image-based textures. For a nano banana, a slightly glossy, vibrant yellow with subtle imperfections will bring it to life. Consider adding faint brown spots or lines to enhance its organic feel, even at this minuscule scale. Finally, it's time to render. We'll set up some simple studio lighting to highlight the model's form and texture. Adjusting the camera angle and focal length will help showcase the fine details we've worked so hard to create. And there you have it, your very own visually compelling Nano Banana Model, ready to be used in your scientific presentations, educational materials, or even as a unique digital asset.